Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to do a 2-year review of my Diamond C trailer.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past.
And I'm really happy with this trailer. There's a few problems with it, but they're all small. Nothing I would complain about. The first thing that happened to me on this Diamond C trailer was this piece right here came off on the other side, and still missing the washer, but they put a new one on right away. The other thing that happened was the toolbox latch right there. It doesn't hold. It broke like probably the first month that I had it, and they put one on for free in the beginning, and then it failed right away. And then I just had another one put on, costs $45, and it failed within 2 days. So now to hold this toolbox down, I've actually got a strap right here. I don't know if you can see that. I've actually got a strap right there holding it. But those are really my only two complaints. I am a little hard on it. I need to get a couple more boards on the top. I've got the heavy duty tires on it. And yeah, it's been a good trailer. So I think, you know, after 2 years, if that's my only two complaints, I think it's a nice trailer. This is the Diamond C, and it's a 14-foot dump trailer, and it works really well. Yeah, 2 years, pretty happy with it. This one has, let's see, 10,700 pounds. Oh wait, 14,900 pounds. Empty weight is 4,200. Now this trailer is borderline for my excavator. My excavator is, I believe, 10,500 pounds, and this is rated for a little more than that. So it's barely enough for my excavator. But yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with this Diamond C trailer. And yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. Like I said, my only complaints were the toolbox latch, which personally I think they should make something better and provide that to the customers that have already bought these trailers. This thing's no big deal. I just need to find another washer for this. But otherwise, yeah, that's my review. And I'm actually going to hook it up to my excavator right now and take it over to my other property, and I need to do some more fire mitigation, so we'll be using it right now. Okay, so that's my review of the Diamond dump trailer. Diamond C dump trailer, 7-gauge metal, hydraulic dump, works good. Like I said, my only complaints are the toolbox latch, and it was missing a washer. The end of the washer came off, but you know, those are simple things, not a big deal. Diamond C trailers, if you happen to see this video and you want to give me an upgraded latch, not the same one, because that's already the third latch, and I've only had it 2 years, and I only open the toolbox each time to dump it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, anyway, thumbs up for the Diamond C trailer though. All in all, really good trailer, well built. I've had nothing but good luck with it, except for the latch, and actually just the latch, really. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it